Hello, my dudes. I'm whispering because the house is like so echoey. And I'm here with my friend Val. And this is Val and
Hi guys.
and no, this is Val. You're Rocky. And this is Val. And this is Rocky. Rocky really wanted to be on the camera, so here. Say your piece. No, you can't get shy now.
He's not shy, he just wants to lick you.
He's attacking me. I'm being attacked.
All around me are familiar faces.
Hey, not in there. Hi. No, I can't come over there. You come here. Okay, what if I put one leg over? Then can I come in and see? Look. Come on, I know you want the leg. Okay, I'll come over. Hi. Hi, say hi YouTube. Hey, not in there. What did we say? No, not my butt. Okay. Okay, you smell the bone? No. Go to her.
She doesn't really do that, but we're trying.
Aw. That's okay. No, please don't attack me. No, we have to be friendly.
Yeah.
Okay, now that we've escaped the wrath of those really perfect, beautiful, good boys and girls, Val and I, this is the real Val. You might recognize her from all my Disney shit and oh, that New York video. She's really all over the board.
I say I'm multifaceted.
Exactly. This is so pretty. Check this out. Freaking fields.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's actually a tree farm.
Really?
Yeah.
Why are they farming trees?
To sell them.
Profit.
Profit.
Are they gonna clear cut those trees?
Probably.
So October 1st is all about, and video as a whole is all about me doing fall properly because
Yeah.
I haven't really truly experienced fall because Florida's not real fall since 2015. That's 2 years. So that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
And today we're celebrating by going
To pet
pumpkin picking
goats.
and getting brunch
Hell
and
yeah.
probably sipping on some apple cider, getting some apple cider donuts, and I might pick a few apples.
Yeah.
And I don't know, that's just really what life looks like right now.
It looks good. Yeah.
And I'll see you later. So we made it to this cute little diner brunch place. I've got, hold on one moment. She's having a good time. Val, any thoughts on brunch?
Very good. 10 out of 10. Great omelet. Great physique.
Oh yeah.
She's thick and bad.
Rye bread. I always forget that rye bread is like a possibility. So good.
Yeah.
Like,
That
it
extra
just-
little bite.
That, what does that mean?
The bite. It has like a little bite to it.
It bites back. Rye. The bread that bites back.
Ooh.
Wow. Ah. Oh my god, that hurt.
Ooh.
He got me. Florentine. Really nice. Wow, look at those tops. Now please do what you just did.
You're not a hoe.
Thank you.
Wait, should I do it with the...
Yeah, do it with the,
Okay.
yeah, for the full effect.
I went... You're not a hoe.
I feel threatened and fulfilled and
Yeah.
enlightened.
As you should.
What? The knife is still there? Shut up. How did you do that? Oh, no.
I don't know. It's a secret. We don't need to talk about
We
it.
can get help. It's gonna be
I don't need
okay.
help. Turn it off.
Film. Hi guys, I'm at a really magical place. There is a baby goat behind me. Hold on. He's so cute. He's so soft. I'm going to touch him. Look at that one. That one doesn't look as soft. Mediocre goat. More mediocre goat. Actually, I can't tell what animal that is. Best goat in the world. And
There's one right there.
silly goat. Baby. Hi.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, hi. You're so cute. I don't know. It's okay. I won't. Guys, we missed it, but this goat just jumped on a table, and I don't know what he's doing now, but I do know that he's talented. What would you rate this goat?
10 out of 10. The brown?
Oh, he's
Glowing.
sitting now. Oh, he's so relaxed.
Yes.
I should work for Animal Planet.
Oh my god. Straight away.
Oh no. Sure. Alright, what are we gonna get? I want the blue one. Oh, I got corn. Okay. I'm gonna feed them with this. Hey bitches, come get it. Come get it.
Are you guys
I paid
tempted?
25 cents for this. Hey, you over there.
You
want this?
Don't be this.
I paid 25 cents.
He's
Come get it.
chilling. He does not want a
Come get it.
piece of
He
that.
does. We're connected.
He's
We're on
staring
the same
right at you,
wavelength.
actually.
I'm gonna keep locking eyes.
I feel a connection. You guys have a date later?
I hope so. I think we do have a date later, actually.
Wow.
I think he just said, do you want to go out? And I'm saying, yes.
He said, okay, cool.
Where are we
See you
going?
later.
What do you think he
I don't
likes to
know, find
do?
out.
Do you think we have some more hobbies?
He loves jumping. Do you like to jump?
No.
Oh. Do you like to sit?
Yes.
Oh my god, you guys are the same.
We're
Look at
perfect for
him.
each other.
He's sitting. He's just... Oh my god.
Oh, look at that one eating though. I think maybe we're better off.
I don't know. I think sheep and goats are.
I love your horns. Hi, do you want any? Oh my gosh, maybe not him. Hey, be nice.
Oh,
This one's for you. No, it's for him. It's the white one.
When you were like all
It's a
done,
little,
I swear.
Well, I already fed him. Equality.
Yeah, she was like.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you later.
No, she is.
That was a good time.
you have fun?
I had so much fun. I think I've got some goat residue on me though.
Yeah?
Ooh,
You with the sad
I can wash my hands. Safety begins with me. You're gonna want to wash your hands after you touch goats.
Alright, Bindi.
What? Would Bindi say that?
Bindi the Jungle Girl? Yeah. Always educational. Learned
Really?
so much from her.
Wait, Bindi's a jungle
You could be
girl?
Tara the Goat
Bindi
Girl.
Steve Irwin's daughter?
Tara the Farm Girl.
Tara the farm girl. I do feel like I was born with this. More of a city slicker,
Oh.
but I'll be a farm girl.
You're gonna have to change if you want that.
You know what? I made
Sponsorship.
Harvest Moon and I loved it. So you might call me a farm girl. Yeah, actually.
Come here often?
No, actually.
Okay.
Okay, so today we're selling these new avant-garde neck pillows. They're good for airplanes. They're good for, you know, just when your neck hurts. They're good for sitting in class trying to take naps. These are really great. They're actually completely organic. They came straight from the ground. And I would suggest this to a friend, to a good friend, and to an enemy.
No.
Oh my gosh, it looks so
Am I
good.
Britney Spears yet?
Ooh, anaconda. Wow.
I know maybe.
Can you make sure I'm a slave for you is in the back at this part?
Yeah, I can do that. Go, Brittany.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. I didn't see you there. We've got about 5 donuts because I already ate one. I got a half a dozen, but wow. Check her out. Check out that glaze on the apple cider donut. We're gonna spin her around.
Oh my gosh,
We're gonna
she's
spin her around.
sparkling in the light.
Yeah,
though.
she's almost heaven-like with the halo shape, and a mukbang time. Wow, real gross.
10 out of 10.
What do you think?
Definitely like a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that's still good. Yeah.
Wow.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Video.
Get in the bag.
Look at about.
Ooh.
Look at those boys.
Ugh. Beautiful.
Yeah. I don't really have any wise words.
Just get apple cider donuts. That's it.
Live your damn life. Experience fun. Go find yourself some apple cider donuts because you won't freaking regret it.
You will not, no. Ask it.
Okay, first off, Val has the best little trinkets in her house. Kirby, is everything gonna be okay? Let's see. Let's let Kirby speak.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, cool.
That gives me no more confidence, you pink little
Don't
turd.
talk
I
to him
love
like
you.
that. Leave my little chef Curbs alone.
He's so good. He's so good to me. Do you want to ask a question?
Kirby, will Donald Trump be impeached? Can we get political on here?
Yeah.
Sure, why not? Oh, it's stuck between two. Trump
Much
get
like the country,
impeached.
divided.
She's sleeping. ZZ.
We're thinking on it.
Just gonna take a nap. Oh, it's dog time! You're doing amazing, sweetie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Me in gym class. Just minding my own business. Sniffing a bone. Everyone else in gym class.
Come on. You gotta go get it too. Do you want the ball? What? I'm not the ball. Okay, Rocky, thank you. You're really good at fetch.
He's doing his best.
He's so talented.
I know.
Okay. That counts.
Free ball it.
What does that mean?
Throw it behind you.
Okay.
No, he knows it. You have to throw it like where he. Yeah. Ooh, that form. Rocky, that was like a 10 out of 10. I've been rating his performances lately, and oh, he's done.
So our fall festivities are over for now. Although I guess since it's fall, like any festivity is a fall festivity. And if anyone thinks that you can't keep in touch with your DCP roommates and friends afterwards, don't worry. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so we were playing Animal Crossing with Mel, and Belle's right here. She's also playing Animal Crossing, but we just lost connection, and we were going to the island, and we were having, oh my gosh, our hair. We changed our hair, and now it's not even saved.
No.
Yeah.
How did that
That is so
happen?
hurtful. Look, we can't make this up, folks. Sometimes accidents happen. Shame. I don't know what to do now. Sad. My party's ruined. We look really cute though. I got a dress. Mal made some like custom dresses. Hi, so that was video part 1. And this is editing Tara speaking. It's now October 2nd, so we're a day behind on this whole thing, but look, we're chugging along. Didn't really record a proper outro for this, so here I am. And I will see you in the next video, which will hopefully be posted October 3rd. Yeah, it was October 3rd. That's a Mean Girls reference.